Hello GATE aspirants, let's talk about previous year question paper of ecology and evolution. So let's get started. A non-venomous, non-toxic species of snake is brightly colored and closely resembles a venomous snake species in the same habitat. This is most likely a case of, and the answer is B, Batesian mimicry. Batesian mimicry is a form of protective mimicry in which a species that is edible or harmless closely resembles an inedible or harmful species and therefore is avoided by predators. Next, the value of the resting membrane potential of a typical neuron is closest to the equilibrium potential of which of the following ions? And the answer is B, potassium ion. Next, a plant species found in India produces flowers that are white, fragrant and tubular. Which of the following is the most likely pollinating agent? And the answer is C, moths. Moth bodies are quite hairy, more stout. Moths generally less colorful than butterflies. They are attracted to flowers that are strongly sweet smelling, open in late afternoon or night, that are typically white or pale colored. Next, for a species assuming a relatively short time scale and no evolution, increased interspecific competition will result in a, and the answer is D, smaller realized niche. Next, in which of the following mating system is a sperm competition likely to evolve? And the answer is C, polyandry. Copies of genes that arrive in a particular genome by horizontal gene transfer are known as, and the answer is D, xenologues. Horizontal transfer events can be classified into distinct categories of acquisition of new genes, acquisition of paralogs of existing genes, and xenologous gene displacement, whereby a gene is displaced by a horizontally transferred ortholog from another lineages or xenologue. Next, in which of the following plants is the dominant stage of life cycle is haploid? And the answer is mosses. Next and last, which of the following is not typically a characteristic of early successional pioneer plants relative to the late successional plants in a tropical rainforest? And the answer is A, higher shade tolerance. Okay guys, we have done here. Thank you.